Hello everyone. So welcome to another unboxing video, and this unboxing video is for Samsung Galaxy Buds. It was ordered in Amazon, and also the good thing is if anyone needs to order it in Amazon, they do have it with one-day shipping. So let's get on with it. As you can see clearly, it's printed as that it contains lithium-ion batteries. So let's get on with the unboxing. There it is. Now let me. So there is the box. As you can see, the so-called bubble wrap with just 3 of it, and there are the Galaxy Buds, but I guess the way it's packed, it's not even clear. I mean, there is no other protection other than a paper cover, and there is, as you can see, it is sealed. So let's get on with it. Put the box away because there is nothing else. And there it is. I guess, oh, there's also another tape at the top of it. So I had ordered a black case, and it does say it's true wireless with 6 hours playtime, and it should run on any Android 5 or above. So let's get on with it. I guess there's still something. Okay, no, there's nothing stuck. So this is a black version of the Galaxy Buds, and what else is included in the box? I guess these are extra wingtips and a charger cable. Yep, so there is the charger cable at bottom and few extra wingtips at top. And let's also see the Galaxy Buds itself. So the black case, they kind of look similar to the Gear Iconics, and I also have a white too. So here is the white. For some reason, I don't know, I don't prefer the black color. I would prefer the white color a lot more, and it looks much fancier. White. And let's continue. So here I have an Android phone. So let's see how easy it is to connect the Galaxy Buds to the Android phone. So these are brand new, and we do get a pop-up that a new device is detected. The information will be synced with the SmartThings. So let's connect it. So because I already have Galaxy Wearable pre-installed, it did take me directly to Galaxy Wearable. Oh, it is connected before I even agreed to the terms, which I don't know how it works, but let's go ahead. And here are the instructions how to use touchpad. You can tap, you can double tap to answer or end call. You can triple tap to play previous track, and you can touch and hold, which you can manually change in settings, and also touch and hold for decline. and these are all other instructions, charging with your phone. So let us see. Oh, there are no software updates, I guess. Looks like, yeah, there are no software updates. And in the app you can also see the equalizer option. You can set it to dynamic, soft, bass boost, clear, or treble boost, and you can see the battery percentage for the earbuds. But upon further inspection, when I looked at it, there is no option to check how much battery level the case has anywhere here. So that is something that is surely missing. Whereas in AirPods, you can open the phone and you can see the battery percentage of the case as well as battery percentage of the earbuds, which is missing here. Other than that, this is one other feature that I like because it has wireless charging. All I have to do is place it and you can see an indicator. Let us see if I can focus the camera. Yeah, so even though I put it here, I guess I'll have to switch to turn on wireless power share in my phone. So there you go, I enabled wireless power share, and let us see. Something's wrong for some reason. Oh, maybe because it's fully charged and you can see that the light is on now. Okay, let's do an attempt with these Galaxy Buds. These definitely do not have full charge, so they should be charging, and you can see in the phone, hopefully the camera focuses. So there it says device connected, charging the connected device, and you can see clearly that the light is on. And now just trying to compare it with AirPods. So if you see, I do have a case for AirPods, and the way the case is flimsy is all in all, but in a way, comparatively in the sizes, let me take it out of the case, the AirPods, for a better comparison of the sizes. As you can see here, this is the size of AirPods and the Galaxy Buds beside each other. It's much more in horizontal. Galaxy Buds definitely looks like it's bigger in size compared to AirPods, but the main thing that I like with AirPods is you get these are the first gen AirPods, and you get roughly about maybe 18 to 20 hours of charge, including the charge that the case has, whereas these earbuds do not actually give you that much charge as the the AirPods. But all in all, when I compared the audio, I would say Galaxy Buds has much better audio control options compared to AirPods. And also, I've been trying to find cases for Galaxy Buds, but there are nothing specific made yet that would fit Galaxy Buds, whereas AirPods have many cases. And I had ordered an extra wireless charging case to replace with these non-wireless charging case for AirPods. I'm waiting for it, but that would be an interesting check as well to see how fast it charges. And even though they say the wireless power share, the charging is not as fast, it is slow, but the good thing is I can also charge my Galaxy Watch with this wireless power share. And if I travel, then now all I need is this phone, which I can use to charge multiple devices, except the AirPods, which does not have wireless charging. And that would and conclude the review for the Galaxy Buds, how it works with wireless charging and initial feel of it compared to the AirPods. So thank you guys for watching the video, and hopefully I'll be uploading another unboxing video soon. Thank you.